Well, this was a terrific project for me. I grew up on a farm, and when I was real little, way back, my first drawings were of barns. So I would sit in church and draw barns a lot, and they looked a lot like this. And so this project was something that Michael and I got together and started to conceptualize about the imagery, and we thought, well, what about, Michael said, what about crop circles? I said, I'm way into crop circles. I'm way into like those big round bales. So that painting over there in the coffee area, although it looks like you're looking at a couple cups of coffee, it's also a stack of bales,
in this bag.
abstracted.
I followed his career and his work for 20 years.
Yeah.
And when we decided to do this this hotel, and this very location here is called for in the Marriott plans for a really cool piece of art, but it was nothing like this. It was something you get out of the Marriott catalog. And I said, well, we'd like to do our own art. And they said, okay, well, we have to approve it, but yeah, that's fine. And I knew that Michael would be just the right guy to do this. And then I thought, you know what? We have these other two locations, and it really should be an ensemble of one artist's expression, but three different expressions. And we invited him to do this commission, and he accepted, and I'm so pleased that you did. And that was like, what, a year?
Year and a half ago.
So it's been a long time in the making.
Been a long time in the work.
But this is the first day that I've seen them in person, and they're even better. They're just spectacular.
I do a lot of painting, but these are unique pieces in and of themselves. They're different than my normal repertoire. Enough so that I had a bit of anxiety, and I'm like, how am I going to pull this off? So I really had to dig deep. I had to go for long walks and think about the process, and then once I got inside the process, I had to step by step figure it out. How this is all going to come together and how these colors are going to work. And so it was improvisatory, and then you never know whether it truly succeeded until you get it in the site, in the actual specific site. Because art is, in most cases, is very site specific. And now having gotten it in situ, I'm getting total confirmation. So I feel really good about this. Yeah. So thank you.
Be the first and last impression of every guest that comes into the Fair Oaks Farms Fairfield Inn. Great. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Appreciate it.